Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert 3D objects in LibreOffice Draw. So if you want to do it, you need to go to the left upper corner and you need to click on Shape tab, and then you need to go to Insert tab, and after that you will find here special option like 3D objects. Here you can select one from few available objects. You can select here cube, sphere, cylinder, cone, pyramid, torus, shell or half sphere. So in this video I will select maybe cone, so I click on it and then I will be able to draw it somewhere here. So how you see, it looks really great. And now if we want to edit this object, we need to click right mouse button on it and we need to select here 3D FX. Now this window should be successfully displayed here. I recommend you to open first tab Geometry, and here you can modify rounded edges, scaled depth and rotation angle. And here on default it is set to object specific, but I recommend you to check another settings. For example, I click on flat. You can check here preview of the effect. Of course you can modify another settings. For example, you can modify shading. You can change mode from Garout to flat or funk if you want, but I recommend you to set it on default. You can modify camera settings if you want. You can change illumination, you can modify textures, and of course I recommend you to check your material settings, because I will change it maybe from light blue to green, so I click on green. Illumination color I set on default on black, and maybe specular color I will change to red, so I click on dark red, and then I click this one button to assign changes. So I click on it, and how you see changes in this object have been successfully applied. Maybe I will show you how it looks with change geometry settings. So I go back to geometry and I click on object specific, and again I select this one option. So the effect of this 3D object is depends of your preferences, but it is how it works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.